سعيدا كن فريدا عش بفخر في الحياة لا تبالي فالمعالي بالتحدي لا سواه سعيدا كن فريدا عش بفخر في الحياة لا تبالي فالمعالي بالتحدي لا سواه كن سعيدا كن فريدا عش بفخر في الحياة لا تبالي فالمعالي.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Summer Eats with Shazeats. Today I have a picnic perfect barbecue chicken that your family will adore and will want to have more and more. They won't stop eating it. So ideally I like to marinate the chicken for the evening or the night before and then just braai on the day. So what we're going to do, we're going to make the sauce first and then we're going to mix it into the marinade and we're going to braai straight away. But ideally let it sit in the fridge overnight for at least a few hours. So I'm going to start off with some olive oil and then I'm going to add in some honey. I've got some sriracha. I've got some tomato ketchup. I've got some salt. I'm going to add in some pepper. And I'm going to add in some date vinegar. You could either use any brown vinegar or some apple cider vinegar as well. But in a lot of the shops now you can get date vinegar. And I just like the texture of it, the taste of it. It's a little bit more sweeter than a normal soury vinegar. Mix that all up. Again, it's really good to taste. I think that needs a touch more vinegar in. Mix it all up. And I'm going to add 3/4 of this marinade that I've made into my chicken. And I'm going to leave a little bit for basting when I'm actually cooking the chicken.
سعيدا كن فريدا عش بفخر في الحياة لا تبالي فالمعالي بالتحدي.
So I'm going to use my grill press over here and the chicken has already got some olive oil in it, but I'm going to spray my grill press with an olive oil spray and cook. And I'm going to take my drumsticks and you can hear the sizzle straight away. And I don't want to waste any of that sauce. I'm going to drizzle it all over. And close.
سعيدا كن فريدا عش بفخر في الحياة لا تبالي فالمعالي بالتحدي.
The beautiful reddish color of the chicken. I'm going to take them out and put them into onto my dish. You can see the stickiness on the hot plate over here. This dish in particular is a favorite for my girls. They love having it. And so easy to do if you're going away for the day.
سعيدا كن فريدا عش بفخر في الحياة لا تبالي فالمعالي بالتحدي.
When the chicken is plated up, garnish with some spring onions on the top. And some wedges of lime. Squeeze a little bit of the lime and just literally tuck in. Yummy, delicious, Moorish, sweet, savory, bit of everything. Thoroughly enjoy it. Summer Eats with Shazeats.
كن فريدا عش بفخر في الحياة لا تبالي فالمعالي بالتحدي لا سواه. كن سعيدا كن فريدا عش بفخر في الحياة لا تبالي فالمعالي. كن سعيدا كن فريدا عش بفخر في الحياة لا تبالي فالمعالي بالتحدي لا سواه. كن سعيدا كن فريدا عش بفخر في الحياة لا تبالي فالمعالي.